Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new series. I have left Coimbatore and now I am heading towards my new destination, Kotagiri. If you still haven't seen the Coimbatore series, I'll leave the link of the playlist up here in the I button. You can check later. What I love about road trips is the small details that tell you something about a particular place. Like this temple depicts the South culture. People here run small businesses for a living. People here are also into agriculture. You can spot these banana plantations now and then after certain intervals. And these are their local market shops. Small halls are essential when you're traveling by road. So I am at the King Cafe, your perfect stop for snacks. They also have a chaat counter. You get aerated drinks, soft drinks like Fanta, Limca, Sprite. And in chaat they have bhel puri, sev puri, dahi puri, pani puri. So overall it's a good and hygienic cafe. I had samosa. It was crispy, the filling inside was tasty, along with tea. The combination of samosa and chai is just inseparable. And this cafe was actually the driver's recommendation. I was very much impressed with this cafe and will visit again soon. Foodies, food lovers, remember to stop here on your next road trip. Moving ahead, whenever you are visiting a hill station, there are these hairpin turns. Means a U-shaped bend in a road, but trust me, the views are mesmerizing as you get closer to the top. And there are also blind curves as well. That's a curve on a roadway around which the driver cannot see the approaching traffic. So be careful, drive safe. To those who are not used to such curves and turns, you might feel a bit uneasy, dizzy, or feel motion sickness. So keep eating something at intervals. Stay hydrated and keep your mobile screens away. You need to pass through this checkpost in order to enter Kotagiri. A small blue house with pink bougainvillea at the top of it was just so insta-worthy. That was the cutest element of the day. And can you see the glowing silver sphere-shaped circle in the sky? That is the beautiful moon. Coimbatore to Kotagiri distance is 67 to 70 kilometers and the time required to reach is around 2.5 to 3 hours approximately. I have booked a taxi. You can also book an Ola or self-drive. And Kotagiri is just 30 kilometers away from Ooty. And this is the tea estate, tea garden. You can see the tea bushes arranged in ordered rows. And people here live in small houses, bungalows. They also have plush and exotic properties here. Kotagiri is just full of nature. It's the third largest hill station in the Nilgiri Hills. I am staying at the Green Nest Resort. The only problem is the road condition. To be honest, it's bad. You need a skilled driver. The road is narrow, so get ready for a bumpy ride. No doubt the views from this resort are just breathtaking and spectacular. That's the only reason why I chose this resort. To reach the resort, it's a 15 minutes journey. So if you choose to come here, you need a tough vehicle car. So keep that in mind. And yeah, I am so happy. Finally, we have made it to the top. I am super exhausted and tired after a 3 long hours journey. And let's not forget the bumpy ride, of course. So let's get to the reception and quickly finish the check-in process formalities. They offer various unique stay options. So I am staying at such a unique stay called as the Den. And I'll give you the entire room tour in the next vlog, so stay tuned and till then, bye bye.